Gonna do a quick little look at this Chinese CFG Industries KU45 knockoff. Looks like a knockoff Kubota track hoe, Chinese import at Ritchie Brothers. Just played with it a little bit, just kind of curious for my needs. It'd be great if it was about 10 grand, but it'll probably bring more than that. Little Yanmar engine in it. Runs a lot smoother than those little gas powered ones they got sitting down there. They got a 35 size, but little Yanmar engine. Dozer blade, bucket. Interesting mechanical thumb. I've never seen one with this. Take the pin out, fixed without the bar going across it, so that's different. But it has air conditioning, which in these Chinese ones isn't very common. It actually has a pull down lever like your normal track hose do, and then little display gauges right there. It runs a lot smoother than most Chinese ones. I'd say it runs just like a cat, a deer, Kubota, anything like that.